I just bought the M4 iPad Pro. Can I replace my MacBook Pro with this iPad? Well, in the next few weeks I find out. But in today's video, it's going to be my first impressions with this device and of course, the unboxing. So if you are excited, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. This is my iPad Pro M4 coverage for the next few weeks. Let's get started. Alright, time to unbox the M4 iPad Pro. Yes, this is one of the best experiences you can have, unboxing an Apple product. And as you can see, no more plastics surrounding the iPad box. All of this is recycled, all of this is environmentally friendly. But again, first impressions picking up the iPad Pro. It's super thin, super light. I was actually very surprised how thin it felt. The only negative side of this unboxing was when I was searching for the rest of the accessories for the iPad, so the cable, the USB-C cable, which is braided and black, the color of the iPad, and then I went after the power brick, just like I have seen in every unboxing in the United States. What did I find? No power brick. So, weird. Apple is shipping power bricks on the US and no power bricks on the EU. So, I guess that's some way of Apple getting back at the EU, but who cares? I guess I do care, and you care also. So, leave me in the comments below what you think happened here. But again, this is one of the best parts of the unboxing, and right away the iPad Pro felt really thin and really light. Incredible, incredible. Here you can see the new placement for the camera, Face ID system. It's pretty cool, but the overall feeling of this iPad is thinness. 1mm makes so much difference, and it's actually very light, so it might be the first time in a while that I think that a 13-inch iPad Pro is one-handable, so you can use it with only one hand. As for the USB-C cable, it's pretty premium, it's braided, and it's from the iPad's color, so it's space black, looks pretty cool, see USB-C. I'm still mad that Apple did not give us that power brick. Really, Apple? It costs you like $1 to put it on the box. So, yes, now I will have to use my MacBook's power brick. That's annoying. But I guess I was feeling it strange. The box was very thin to have a power brick inside. But now that this iPad Pro is boot up, I will configure it and I will talk to you later. While we are waiting for the iPad Pro to be ready, let's unbox the rest of the accessories. As you can see, they came in this very big box, completely unnecessary. So we are in a conundrum. Apple does not ship a power brick, so they can put slimmer boxes on the iPad Pro, but then they ship us this insanely big box with lots of filling inside just to ship this Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil. Does not make any sense. So yeah, the iPad's box is smaller and thinner than the iPad accessories box, and they are even smaller than the iPad Pro. So, kinda weird. But the box that I got for the Apple Pencil Pro was quite cool. Just take a look at it. I truly believe this is something that Apple should have done earlier. This looks insane. And I just love these drawers on the Apple Pencil box. It's actually incredible. Great job, the artist that did this. Throw that box to the side. Let's unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. This was very expensive. Cost me around $150. Wow, that's expensive. But yeah, feels almost like the second generation Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil that I had before. So it has now this new squeeze feature, a new gyroscope, and it has the haptic motor. It's cool, it's the Apple Pencil Pro, but do you need it? As for the Magic Keyboard, well, this is something that I never had from my old iPad Pro. So this is the first time I'm going to use the Magic Keyboard. And this time is even better. Now we have a palm rest and haptic touch trackpad. This palm rest is made of aluminium as well as the trackpad, and the trackpad is haptic touch. So no flexing, the build quality is much better. We also now have a function key row and of course a better hinge, because this hinge is more durable. It actually enables more angles for you to move your iPad freely, but especially has a new USB-C port, a 60-watt enabled USB-C port. So it charges your iPad faster, the keyboard is better, the haptic trackpad is better, less flexing, the build quality is simply better overall. So quite happy with the new Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro. But let me know in the comments down below, would you buy these very expensive accessories for the iPad Pro? Now that the iPad Pro is up and running, just take a look how easy it is to install your accessories on the iPad Pro. Simply snaps into place the Magic Keyboard And the Apple Pencil, it's a magnetic party. Yes, lots of magnets, but quite cool. So, as you can see, now I've got the M4 iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro combo. Yes, this is my newest Apple device, and I bought it to replace my 2018 iPad Pro. Funny thing, because that iPad I bought it like 6 years ago. It lasted me a very, very long time. Now I upgraded for the M4 iPad Pro. And in the next few weeks I want to find out, can I replace my most basic needs from a MacBook with this iPad Pro? I know that I do all of my work and edit all of my videos on my M1 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch. That's my favorite computer. That's my favorite machine ever to do my computer things, my work things. But since this M4 iPad Pro has come out now, it has the Magic Keyboard, the new Magic Keyboard. It has the tandem OLED display, incredible OLED display. It has the new Apple Pencil Pro. I want to find out, can I use this iPad as my main computer in the next 3 weeks? And yeah, it's going to be a fun challenge, it's going to be a fun experiment, and I want to know, can I use the M4 iPad Pro as my computer? If you are curious about what a tandem OLED display is, well, it's actually pretty simple. Imagine 2 layers of OLED displays stacked up on top of each other. This improves the brightness, giving it mini LED-like brightness, but it also reduces burn-in on OLED displays. Because OLED displays, they have the issue that when they are turned on for a very long time, they get this very, very curious phenomenon. They burn in. So pixels become less bright, become more worn in, and so they are not capable of producing as more light, and they also leave marks on the display. So it's a very, very common phenomenon on older OLED displays, but now Apple promises to fix these with this tandem technology. This is dual OLED displays stacked up on each other, so when you are full brightness, the strain on the pixels itself is smaller because you have dual pixel per each axis. So imagine a y-axis, you have one pixel on top, one pixel on the bottom. They both produce the same color, they both produce the same light. They are synchronized by the M4 chip, and so they are brighter, they are more durable, and they are simply better. So I do believe this is the future for OLED display technology. I do believe you are going to see it on the iPhone soon. The Apple Pencil Pro also has new technologies, just like an haptic touch, just like the squeeze function. So I want to test out this Apple Pencil on my university setting. I'm not an artist, I do not draw. I only use this Apple Pencil to take notes and to browse my iPad, to simply sign documents. So I pretty much know this is going to be overkill, but since I switched to the most powerful iPad Pro and the most powerful iPad Pro accessory, the Magic Keyboard, I decided to try out the Apple Pencil Pro. I either needed to buy the Apple Pencil Pro or the Apple Pencil USB-C version because no other Apple Pencil works with the M4 iPad Pro, excluding the first generation Apple Pencil. I don't know why, but I think that Apple Pencil works with the M4 iPad Pro. I've seen videos online talking about it. So if that works, well, go check it out on YouTube. I don't have the Apple Pencil first generation with me right now to test it out, but in my full review, I will give it more information on that. So yes, want to try the Apple Pencil Pro, want to try the Magic Keyboard, the new Magic Keyboard, and see, are they worth it for this expensive iPad Pro? Because I know that lots of you are thinking, can I replace my M1 MacBook Air? Can I replace my MacBook Airs, my Windows laptops with an iPad? Because an iPad is the perfect device. You can pick it up from the Magic Keyboard, you can use it with the Apple Pencil, take notes, and then put it back again, place it on the Magic Keyboard again, and then use it as a laptop. As simple as that. When you want to finish, you just pack it up, and it's this simple, it becomes this small, and it's a very, very compact device, small device. It's 13-inch size, so about the same size display as the M1 MacBook Air, M2 MacBook Air, and M3 MacBook Air. And it has now the M4 chip, which is quite fast, even faster than the M3 present on the M3 MacBook Air. The Magic Keyboard is a fun accessory that makes the iPad a laptop alternative, I wouldn't say replacement. And then the Apple Pencil Pro is super useful for those that need a pencil, that need to write, take notes, that need to draw. The iPad Pro's exclusive feature is the Apple Pencil. So there are a lot of things that surround the iPad Pro, and there are a lot of things that make the iPad Pro be very, very interesting for lots of people as a laptop replacement. For me, I take notes with my iPad. I'm at university and I like to take notes with my iPad. I work in my iPad using Excel. I can work on my iPad answering emails, and I can even use Final Cut Pro to edit my videos. So now, in 2024, I'm going to attempt to switch to an iPad Pro as my main computer. No, I won't ditch my M1 Max MacBook Pro. I want. That's a more efficient machine, at least, at first. But in the next few weeks, I want to try to switch from my MacBook Pro's workflow, in terms of video editing, the channel workflow, to my iPad Pro. And then I'm going to tell my story. I'm going to tell you about my experience and let you know, is the iPad Pro 2024 with the M4 chip a MacBook Pro replacement? Because there's a lot of you that want to know, and I actually want to find out. I'm super excited to find out if it's possible to switch for the M4 iPad Pro. But do not forget that in WWDC 2024, happening on June 10th, we are going to see a new iPadOS version, which can change a lot of things, because the M4 chip here was made to be super fast, super efficient, but also, in my opinion, AI focused. So I want to see, are we getting more powerful features, more AI focused features, more laptop-like features on iPadOS 18? Well, for that, I'm super excited. But now, with these new Magic Keyboard accessories, with the aluminum frame, the haptic touch trackpad, the incredible OLED display, the Apple Pencil Pro, and so much more, this iPad Pro is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades ever to the iPad Pro lineup. And so, I want to test it out, review it, and talk about my experience with you guys. So if you're excited for that, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my coverage on the M4 iPad Pro. I'm super excited for the next few weeks. This is going to be exam season for university, so lots of work with the iPad Pro. This is going to be a very busy season with WWDC, and of course, the iPad Pro review in the next few weeks. So it's going to be a very busy season, lots of things to do, lots of work to finish. So yes, can the iPad Pro keep up being my main computer? Well, let's find out. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Textumer talking to you here. Bye-bye.